What first attracted me to the XPhys program was, I would definitely say, the professors in the program.
I saw the passion of Dr. Figueroa, Dr. Emmons, and a bunch of the other professors. And I thought to myself, I would like to be in their position possibly one day. And I decided to investigate, and I found the graduate program.
And I actually did my internship in cardiac rehab, working with those patients and learning what I learned here. I didn't feel so lost doing that. So I think I really value how much the faculty care about us as individuals rather than just teaching us something and hoping we retain it.
The master's program has definitely helped me establish myself in my workforce. Having hands-on clinical experience with my classmates has definitely translated.
Again, having that hands-on experience with everyone, and especially being a graduate assistant, I'm able to teach students and teach them what I know. We usually get a week to complete a lot of our work, so I think it allows for way more flexibility and asynchronous. There is a ton of advantages to that because just because you can't necessarily meet in person because you're not on campus, there's a lot of opportunities to Zoom and a lot of opportunities to connect with your fellow classmates.
The students here, I found out, it's kind of hard to pin them down with one common denominator. There's such a diverse array of students. If I had to give them one characteristic, it would be dedicated. I found a lot of students who are athletes, students who are coming back to school, who have kids, and they all have their own separate and unique experiences. But the one thing I found out is everyone wants to be here, whatever their end goal is. They're all determined to accomplish said goal, and that's quite refreshing seeing. So I would say William Paterson is my true collegiate intellectual home. I'm incredibly appreciative of the school.
I feel like there's not enough words to really say how much this program has done for me and how much I've grown from being here. It is very inclusive as well, especially people coming from different majors. William Paterson is very accepting, and I am so proud to be a William Paterson alum and now be a William Paterson graduate student.
Intellectually and academically, I found this school incredibly challenging, and that has definitely translated into my field of work. While at the same time, simply being able to say that I am a William Paterson graduate student has always garnered a certain amount of respect out of my peers, patients, and even my coworkers and bosses.